Find a free logo maker. Starting a new business. One of the first things you may want to do is create a logo so people will easily recognize your business or product. Creating a logo can be very expensive. If you want to keep costs low, there are free ways to develop a logo on your own. One way to create your own logo is to use a graphic program already installed on your computer, such as Windows Paint, Photoshop, Fireworks, Paint Shop Pro, etc. There is also the GIMP image manipulation program. This can be downloaded free. Keep in mind, however, when using any of the types of programs you have on your computer, there will likely be a learning curve, making it more time-consuming. This is especially true if you haven't done much graphic design in the past. If you're in a hurry, a free online generator can make this process simpler and faster. The advantages of using a free logo maker are many. First, there are no programs to download or install, and it doesn't matter what operational system you have. They have a wide range of fonts, colors, sizes, and backgrounds. It's quick, fun, and easy to make a really nice logo. When searching for a logo maker online, beware of sites which claim to be free but have strings attached. Some sites claim their logo maker is free, then after registering you find you are unable to create a logo until you sign up for a free trial offer with your credit card. Others may entice you with an instant free logo maker which allows you to immediately begin creating a logo, but after finishing you find you can't download the image unless you pay to join the site. Another tactic some sites use is to allow you to design a logo, then not allow you to use it unless you purchase it imprinted on the items they sell. You can become really irritated and disappointed, finding so many you think are free, only to feel like you've wasted your time and have been deceived. You might conclude there's no such thing as a free logo maker online. However, there are some that are 100% free. Most of these do require you to have their company's name in small print attached to the logo. This can usually be removed for a small fee. Here are some recommended sites where you can create free business logos as well as fun logos for websites of any kind. CoolText.com, TemplatesBox.com, LogoEase.com, CustomsIGNGenerator.com, LogoDesignEngine.com, ImageGenerator.com, Text2Logo.com, FlamingText.com, Text2Pic.com, SpiffyText.com.